how to buy AI Brainrot token. So this token came under the symbol of Brainrot. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going out by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and it increased by 1000% in less than 24 hours. And also this token trending number 9 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So click on your token here and click on I understand. Now after that, here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now after that, click on pricing. Now click on provider and stick to Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to relax your Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Brainrot token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.